Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup without chicken. Start by warming 2 tablespoons of oil and gently saute onion, garlic, and celery until soft. Add diced vegetables, mushrooms, and a splash of soy sauce for umami. Pour in vegetable stock to cover, then simmer gently until vegetables are tender. Finish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, and salt to taste for a bright, balanced bowl. Pick ingredients that complement each other in texture and flavor. Combine hearty root vegetables with leafy greens and quick-cooking items to create contrast. Consider adding beans, lentils, or barley for substance and protein without meat. Boost savory notes with a small amount of miso, tomato paste, or nutritional yeast. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and acid to keep the soup lively. Brown vegetables in batches to develop caramelized flavor before adding liquid. Deglaze the pan with a splash of stock or wine to capture those brown bits. Keep the pot at a gentle simmer rather than a rolling boil to preserve texture and clarity. Taste partway through cooking and adjust seasoning gradually. Finish with fresh herbs or a touch of acid to brighten the final bowl and make each flavor pop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.